Hey y'all, my name is Andrew and I'll be taking you through the project. So now we have Abe who will be covering view bill and a notification of members.
As a customer, I want to make sure my bill does not exceed my allotted budget for entertainment. To give customers a peace of mind, we added a feature that allows customers to set a threshold so that when the bill exceeds this value, they receive an email notification. To set a threshold, the customer goes to the account profile option in the main menu and enters the threshold value in this text box. Under the hood, this is the rule and observer pattern. The subject is the database that maintains a list of observers, which in this case is the customers who register with the observer by setting a threshold value. The subject contains a row object, which contains the row is customer's bill greater than the threshold set. If this row is satisfied, the action part of the pattern notifies only the customers who have their bill exceeding their threshold value. Let's see an example by billing the customers. Here this guy got carried away with all the exciting services telecom has to offer. Too bad his bill exceeds his threshold value. Shortly, he will receive an email notifying him that his bill is greater than this threshold.
So up next we have Alex who will be covering customer representative.
I have senior citizen Gertrude on the phone right now, and she can't seem to get a hold of a new smartphone her grandchild gave her for Christmas. She wants to subscribe to a landline and internet and cancel her old wireless cell phone plan. So, my lady, what is your username? Grandma? Got it. Let me look her up in the Assist Customer option in the main menu. I place her username in this text box and click on Search to load her subscriptions and what available services and packages are available for her to subscribe to. She said she wanted to cancel her wireless service. All I need to do is click on Delete and voila! Cancelled. Now let's add landline and internet. Wait, what? Hello Gertrude, I got good news for you. We have a special going on. You can bundle landline and internet for $49.99 compared to $75.99 if subscribed to separately. Some telecom guys will be at your home tomorrow to set up some of your connections.
And now we have Christine who will be covering marketing representative.
A marketing representative will log in and see the screen where they can then select the option to create and edit services and packages. To create a package, the marketing representative will select the services to be offered in the package using these checkboxes. He or she will then enter a price for the package. To finalize their changes, they will click on the Create Packages/Services button. And voila, a package has been created. To delete an existing package, the marketing representative just needs to press the Delete button associated with each package. To edit an existing package, the marketing representative will click on the Load to Edit button associated with each package. They edit the existing package using the same interface to create a package. They can then uncheck or check these boxes to add or delete services in the package. And to change the price of the package, they can enter a new price here. Finally, they will press the Create Package/Service button to commit these changes.
We now have Frankie who will be covering UML and design patterns.
Now that's better. Over here is a login activity class. To accommodate for the different types of users, we applied the row object pattern. Each user type has a permission level. When a particular user logs in, his permission level is retrieved, and then the row object returns the corresponding activity screen for that user type. Another design pattern we used is the mediator pattern. We isolate the database and dedicate all the queries and write to this class. So classes no longer communicate directly with the parse database, but instead communicate through the mediator. This reduces the dependencies between communicating classes, thereby lowering the coupling.
The final pattern is the factory pattern. Creator provides an interface to create products. Create package service activity extends this class and implements the product creation. When a product is created, create package service activity adds the product to the mediator database class to sort the product in your parts database. The pattern is used if the marketing rep doesn't know what products to create.
And up next we have Alvin who will be covering the development processes.
Hey guys, I want to quickly mention the several tools used in our development process. First off, we meet every Saturday to complete tasks together. There are other days if necessary. On the other days, we use a timesheet in Google Drive for virtual scrums. We listed the hours worked on for a specific task, future task, and other issues. This helps us keep track on what everyone is doing and what needs to be done. In addition, tools such as Blueworks Live and Trello helps us stay on track and where we are in terms of velocity. A huge issue that we encountered were merge conflicts in Bitbucket. There were times where we had to reset the source tree and start all over with a previous copy of the application.